Organizations might often receive customer requests that come with a mix of information sources, which includes unstructured emails, semi-structured documents like invoices, and fully unstructured documents such as contracts or warranty agreements. Here we have an example of a customer who's emailed in about an issue with their fridge. Along with the message, they've attached several supporting documents. Traditionally, handling requests like this has been highly manual and time-consuming. The variety and volume of evidence makes it difficult to process efficiently. With UiPath's Intelligent Extraction Processing, or IXP, we can now automate the extraction of relevant data from every piece of content in this request. Using IXP's communication mining capability, the platform can automatically classify and extract key details from the email. As you can see, it's identified that the request is about a cooling issue. The product in question is a fridge, and it's even extracted the type of fridge mentioned directly from the free text message. Once extracted, communications mining routes any attached documents to the other IXP capabilities for further processing. Next, we process the attached invoice using document understanding. This is a semi-structured document, and here we can use IXP's out-of-the-box invoice model to extract structured data points. Lastly, using IXP's generative extraction capability for unstructured documents, we can extract key information from the attached warranty agreement. Here we can see it's pulled out details about the product, the warranty dates, and the warranty exclusion terms. By using IXP, we're able to handle a complex request that involves processing both messages and documents across structured, semi-structured, and unstructured formats, all while significantly reducing manual effort.